Welcome to the Pariksha Academy. Today's topic is Major Waterfalls of India. Major Waterfalls of India. A waterfall is a fluvial landform where river water descends abruptly over a steep slope or nearly vertical rock face because of a sudden difference in elevation along its course. Waterfalls in India are mainly concentrated in the Peninsular Plateau, Western and Eastern Ghats, Chota Nagpur Plateau and the high rainfall mountainous regions of northeast India. Despite the great elevation and steep slopes of the Himalayas, large permanent waterfalls are relatively less prominent there because Himalayan rivers more commonly form deeply incised valleys and gorges. Formation of waterfalls. Differential erosion of hard and soft rocks can create a sudden break in the riverbed. Softer rocks are eroded more rapidly, while resistant rocks remain relatively elevated. Faulting and tectonic movements may produce sudden differences in elevation along a river course, leading to waterfall formation. Rivers descending over steep plateau margins or escarpments frequently form waterfalls. When softer rock beneath a resistant upper layer is eroded, an overhang may develop. Its eventual collapse causes the waterfall to retreat upstream through headward erosion. Jog Falls. Jog Falls is located on the Shravati River in Karnataka. It is one of the most famous waterfalls of the Western Ghats. The water descends through four major streams traditionally known as Raja, Rani, Rora and Rocket. Its discharge varies considerably with monsoon rainfall and regulation of the Shravati River. The steep relief of the Shravati Valley provides the geographical basis for its formation. Kunchikal Falls. Kunchikal Falls is located on the Varahi River in the Shivamogga region of Karnataka. It is counted among the highest waterfalls in India. Rather than a single uninterrupted vertical drop, it descends through a series of cascades. Its natural discharge has been modified by hydroelectric development on the Varahi River. Shivanasamudra Falls. Shivanasamudra Falls is situated on the Kaveri River in Karnataka. Here the Kaveri flows through rocky terrain and forms two major waterfall branches, Gaganachukki and Bharachukki. Shivanasamudra has historical importance in India's hydroelectric development, as one of the country's early major hydroelectric power projects was developed here in the early 20th century. Gokak Falls. Gokak Falls is located on the Ghataprabha River in Karnataka. The river falls over a sandstone cliff, producing a characteristic horseshoe-shaped waterfall. It forms part of the Krishna drainage system because the Ghataprabha is a tributary of the Krishna. Anchalli Falls. Anchalli Falls is situated on the Aghanashini River in Karnataka. It is an important waterfall of the high rainfall Western Ghats region. Dudhsagar Falls. Dudhsagar Falls is located in the Western Ghats near the Goa-Karnataka border and is associated with the Mandovi river system. The white appearance of water falling from a great height resembles milk, giving the waterfall its name Dudhsagar. Its discharge increases dramatically during the monsoon season. Atirappalli Falls. Atirappalli Falls is located on the Chalakudi River in Kerala. It develops where the Chalakudi River descends through the steep terrain of the Western Ghats. It is one of Kerala's best-known waterfalls and carries substantial discharge during the wet season. Handru Falls. Handru Falls is situated on the Subarnarekha River in Jharkhand. It is formed where the river descends over the steep margins of the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The stepped and dissected topography of the Chota Nagpur Plateau favors the formation of numerous waterfalls. Dasam Falls. Dasam Falls is located on the Kanchi River in Jharkhand. The Kanchi is a tributary of the Subarnarekha River. It is one of the major waterfalls of the Ranchi Plateau region. Jonha Falls. Jonha Falls is located near Ranchi in Jharkhand. It is also known as Gautamdhara. It represents an important waterfall associated with the structural and erosional landscape of the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Hirni Falls. Hirni Falls is situated in the West Singhabhum region of Jharkhand. Its development is associated with the rugged relief and steep river gradients of the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chitrakot Falls. Chitrakot Falls is situated on the Indravati River in the Bastar region of Chhattisgarh. The Indravati is an important tributary of the Godavari. The waterfall has a broad horseshoe-shaped form and is often called the Niagara of India. During the monsoon, both the width and volume of the waterfall increase considerably. Tiritgarh Falls. Tiritgarh Falls is located on the Kangar River in the Bastar region of Chhattisgarh. It is a multi-tiered waterfall situated within the landscape of Kangar Valley National Park. Kapildhara Falls. Kapildhara Falls is located on the Narmada River near Amarkantak in Madhya Pradesh. Near its source, the Narmada descends from the plateau and forms this waterfall. Dugdhadhara is another notable waterfall associated with the Narmada in the Amarkantak region. Dhwandhar Falls. Dhwandhar Falls is situated on the Narmada River near Bhedaghat in Madhya Pradesh. Here the Narmada flows through a narrow channel between marble rocks before descending abruptly. Fine droplets produced by the falling water create a mist resembling smoke, giving the waterfall its name Dhwandhar. Chache Falls. Chache Falls is located on the Bihar River in the Rewa region of Madhya Pradesh. It is formed where the river descends over the margin of the Vindhyan Plateau. Kyoti Falls. Kyoti Falls is situated on the Mahana River in the Rewa region of Madhya Pradesh. It is associated with the plateau topography of the Vindhyan region. Bati Falls. Bati Falls is located in the Rewa region of Madhya Pradesh and is counted among the highest waterfalls of the state. The waterfalls of the Rewa Plateau are closely associated with Vindhyan rocks and steep plateau scarps. Rajat Prapt. Rajat Prapt is located in the Pachmarhi region of Madhya Pradesh. It is a high waterfall associated with the steep relief of the Satpura region. Sahasradhara. Sahasradhara is located near Dehradun in Uttarakhand. It is known for numerous small streams and springs associated with limestone formations. Rather than being a major river waterfall, it is better understood as a spring-fed feature associated with karst topography. Kempty Falls. Kempty Falls is located near Mussoorie in Uttarakhand. Its formation is associated with steep Himalayan slopes and mountain streams. Nokkalikai Falls. Nokkalikai Falls is located near Cherrapunji in Meghalaya. It is one of India's highest plunge waterfalls. The steep southern escarpment of the Meghalaya Plateau combined with extremely heavy rainfall provides favorable conditions for its formation. Nosgithang Falls. Nosgithang Falls is located in the Cherrapunji region of Meghalaya. It is also known as the Seven Sisters Falls because under favorable flow conditions the water descends in several parallel streams. It develops along the steep southern escarpment of the Meghalaya Plateau. Langshang Falls. Langshang Falls is located in the West Khasi Hills region of Meghalaya. It is one of the major high waterfalls of the state. Waterfalls in Meghalaya are closely associated with extremely heavy monsoon rainfall in the abrupt southern edge of the plateau. Barkana Falls. Barkana Falls is located on the Sita River in the Western Ghats of Karnataka. Heavy rainfall in the steep western slope of the Western Ghats favor its formation. Thalaya Falls. Thalaya Falls is situated in the Palani Hills of Tamil Nadu. It is also known as Rat-tail Falls and is among the higher waterfalls of southern India. Hogenakkal Falls. Hogenakkal Falls is situated on the Kaveri River in Tamil Nadu. Here the Kaveri divides into several channels while passing through hard rocky terrain, forming a series of falls and narrow gorges. It provides a good example of the interaction between river erosion and the resistant rocks of the peninsular plateau. Kottalam Falls. Kottalam or Kuttalam Falls is situated in the southern part of the Western Ghats in Tamil Nadu. The region receives rainfall from both the southwest and northeast monsoons, supporting numerous seasonal streams and waterfalls. Talakona Falls. Talakona Falls is located in the Sheshachalam Hills of Andhra Pradesh. It is one of the important waterfalls associated with the Eastern Ghats. Ethapothala Falls. Ethapothala Falls is situated on the Chandravanka River in Andhra Pradesh, which forms part of the Krishna River system. It is an important waterfall developed within the landscape of the peninsular plateau. Geographical distribution. The geographical distribution of waterfalls in India is strongly associated with plateau margins, escarpments, resistant rocks and mountainous relief. The Western Ghats combine heavy rainfall with steep relief, producing prominent waterfalls such as Jog, Kunchikal, Dudhsagar, Enchalli and Atirapalli. The Chota Nagpur Plateau contains waterfalls such as Handru, Dasam and Jonha because rivers descend abruptly across dissected plateau surfaces and scarps. The Vindhyan and Satpura regions of central India contain Chache, Kyoti, Bati and Rajat Prapt, along with Kapildhara and Dhwandhar on the Narmada. The southern escarpment of the Meghalaya Plateau combines extremely heavy rainfall with steep relief, creating high waterfalls such as Nokalika and Nosgithang. Geomorphological significance. Waterfalls represent a sudden break of slope in the longitudinal profile of a river and may indicate active differential erosion or structural control. Headward erosion can cause a waterfall to retreat progressively upstream. A plunge pool commonly develops at the base due to the erosional force of falling water and transported rock fragments. Many Indian waterfalls show strong seasonal variation because their discharge depends heavily on monsoon rainfall. Waterfalls provide natural hydraulic head that can be utilized for hydroelectric power generation. The Shravati and Shivanasamudra regions are important examples. Waterfalls are also important for tourism, local economies and landscape value. However, excessive tourism, construction, diversion of river water and hydropower development can modify their natural discharge and surrounding ecosystems. Thank you very much for joining us. For more useful study material, please like and share this video, and subscribe to the Pariksha Academy channel.